Today I am reviewing the Roborock Qrevo Curv robot vacuum and mop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a next-level robot vacuum that can handle everything from pet hair to deep carpet cleaning, the Roborock Qrevo Curv robot vacuum and mop is one of the most advanced devices on the market today. This smart cleaning powerhouse combines zero-tangling brushes, powerful suction, AI obstacle recognition, and a self-cleaning dock to make home cleaning effortless, efficient, and virtually hands-free. Let's start with the cleaning performance. The Qrevo Curv features 18,500 pascals hyperforce suction, capable of lifting dust, dirt, and even deeply embedded pet hair from carpets and hard floors. The DuoDivide main brush and FlexiArm arc side brush ensure that every corner, edge, and wall line is thoroughly cleaned. Thanks to the zero-tangling system, you never have to spend time untangling hair from the brushes, an absolute lifesaver for pet owners and households with long hair. One of the standout innovations is the AdaptiLift chassis, which allows the vacuum to glide smoothly across all floor types, seamlessly adjusting for carpets, rugs, and hard floors, even handling thresholds up to 4 centimeters. The 17mm mop lift system ensures the mop avoids carpets and delicate surfaces while delivering a thorough clean, making it ideal for mixed-floor homes. The dock system takes convenience to a whole new level. With hot water mop washing, warm air drying, and automatic self-cleaning, the dock keeps the mop fresh and ready for the next cleaning cycle. It also empties the dust automatically for up to 7 weeks, and handles tank refills without any manual intervention. This means that once you set it up, you can enjoy a completely hands-off cleaning experience. Navigation is smart and seamless thanks to Reactive AI, RGB cameras, structured light, and precise sense LiDAR mapping. The Qrevo Curv can recognize and avoid 62 types of objects, map your home in real time, and optimize cleaning paths. Whether it's a messy living room, a crowded hallway, or tight corners, this robot knows where to go and what to clean. For pet owners, this robot vacuum is a dream. It operates quietly at just 55 decibels, keeping your home peaceful while still cleaning thoroughly. The pet recognition feature ensures pets are safe, and real-time video calls with two-way audio let you interact with them even when you're away. Controlling the Qrevo Curv is simple and convenient. You can use offline voice commands with Hello Rocky, manage cleaning schedules, mop functions, and no-go zones via the Roborock app, or just let it clean automatically based on your daily routines. The Smart Plan technology even adjusts cleaning modes depending on your habits and home layout. In terms of build and design, the Qrevo Curv is sleek, modern, and built to last. Its FlexiArm technology ensures it reaches edges and corners effectively, while the compact, low-profile chassis slides under furniture and hard-to-reach areas. With a hands-free dock, powerful suction, intelligent AI navigation, and advanced mopping system, the Qrevo Curv redefines what a smart robot vacuum can do. Overall, the Roborock Qrevo Curv robot vacuum and mop is a game-changer for busy households, pet owners, and anyone who wants spotless floors without lifting a finger. It combines AI-powered navigation, powerful suction, zero-tangle brushes, and a self-cleaning dock into one seamless package. If you're ready to upgrade your home cleaning experience, this is one robot vacuum you don't want to miss.